walk you through this web application. I call it a hospital management system. So here is the login page. So this page, what you have to do is you click on login, and then you enter your credentials, login details. So the username, let me see here, have it ready. Okay. So after you enter your login details, you then click on login, and these are the, what do you call it, what you can get access to. Again, always, if you want to see the version and the developer of this app, you click on this here, and it's going to display this hospital management information system version 101, and that's it. Okay, now let's get straight to it. So I just have a list here. This is what we're going to look at. This is a demo version, so what I'm going to do, I will just show you a few of the things we have on this app. We are going to use a new outpatient and then see what we can do. We'll put in input the patient profile, contact details, and then the pay method, and insurance that the person is holding, vital checks, and then diagnosis. Then we look at prescriptions. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to click on add patient. So then what we're going to do is give an ID number. So let me just say 1027, and then give a title, say Mr. John Doe, gender male, occupation, just say administrator. So this will help the health officials to get to know what you're exposed to in the workplace. And DOB, date of birth, so let's say and age, so that'll be around 39. Marital status, single, married, divorced, widow, so you can pick any, so married. And here you get to upload the profile picture of this patient. So I'm just going to pick a picture for the sake of this demo. I wouldn't like to display it, so let's just see. It's going to be uploaded here. So it is uploaded. That's the name of the picture. Just call it 2. Then click on save. Alright, so at this moment, this will take you to the list of patients that you have. So these are the list patients. So you search a patient using the name. Okay, so the patient we just entered right now is 1027. You just enter that, and then you click on search. So this will filter, this will search for this patient. So here we have the patient. Now if you to update, so click on the name of the patient, but for now let's go and see add contact. So we're going to click on this icon, and this will allow us to add the contact details. So the same person. So let's check the nationality of this patient. Let me see, Ghana, city, Accra, and national ID type. So let's see, this person is using Ghana card, and the ID number. Okay, and then address, maybe 21st Lagos Avenue, East Legon, Accra. Okay, so then you enter the phone number, and then the email of this person too. and in case of emergency, this person would like you to contact this, and the contact of this person is, and the relationship with this person may be the uncle, and then you save this. So this will take us also to the contact list so that we see. So this is patient contact list. If you want to edit, you can just click on the patient name, and this will allow you to do so. Our patient is John Doe here. These are the contact details. Let's get back to the main list. So you click there, go to the main list, and here you can add the pay method. So let me just search this patient. So suppose there are a lot of them, you need to use the search button there, the search column there, to search for the patient. Okay, and this app comes with nice features. If you look at the table, there is a shadow here and that of the form as well. It makes it so nice looking. Okay, so to add the pay method for this, you click on add pay, and this will also take you to this. The same person is here. The pay type, let's say the person is using health insurance, insurance ID, and expiring date, maybe, and then the status. So since it's in 2021, we say it's active, and then referral. So suppose this patient was also referred from a particular hospital, then you can look at it, is it within the hospital or external? Now which hospital, you just pick a hospital, let's say 37, maybe 3 hospital, and from which doctor, so Dr. Ken. And sometimes we also have patients who come with authorization letter from some particular work, so you can also search that. Let me just pick anything, like assume there is a document, so and the document is in a JPEG format, picture format. Then the work ID of this patient can be entered here, and then you click here to save. So this also take us to the pay portal of the patient. Like I said, if you want to edit, you just click on the patient name and you are done. So we are done with the, so anytime you save or update, you get to see the message at the top here, pay method successfully updated. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at here is the, so we did this. Now vital checks. So this is where the patient goes for vital checks. So let's click on vital checks. So here too, you can search for the patient also, and then you check the vitals of the patient. Okay, so here we are dealing with this patient. So to do that, I can, let me just look. Okay, so I click on John Doe. So this is the patient 102, then the title and the name. So it says make vital checks on this patient, so we do that. Alright, so first we might want to check the blood group, and then BP hyper, just going to put some figures here. So the BP hypo, also have that one here. The temperature, see, probably 37.5, and the pulse, we just put some figures here. Respiration, the waist, I'm just putting some figures. The height, the weight, 30 pounds or something like that, and then you save that. So this is where we take the vitals of the patient. So as you can see, the list is here. So these are the vital checks. You can delete if you want to. And so if you want to check the list of vitals, the vital checks here, but here what we're going to do is to, from here this patient is supposed to move to be diagnosed. So this is where the doctor does the work. So let's just do diagnosis list. So these are the list of diagnosed patients. Okay, all right. So from here you can do the diagnosis. Okay, from the vital checks. Let's go there. In the vital checks, yeah, vital checks here. From the vital checks, you can just select the patient name, and then this will take you, okay, so I think I have to use this. Let me just go make diagnosis straightforward from that. Okay, so I'll select the patient, or I'll use the same patient here. You can search again, just go here, click on the patient name. So these are the patients that have gone through the vital checks. Okay, so the name is there, so the doctor will get to see the vital checks that are already taken from the nurse. Usually the nurse does this, and then so here the patient will give the complaint. Let's say what do you call it, I don't know how to put it, but let's just say feeling weak, high temperature, joint pains, and so many stuff to say. Okay, now the doctor will ask since, like, okay, so let's say it started maybe November 15th. Okay, diagnosis. Now the doctor will diagnose this patient and then find out. Okay, let's just say the doctor has seen symptoms of malaria or cholera, something like that, and give some remarks. Maybe what do you call it? What to do is probably take some painkillers and help whatsoever, and then advice given, maybe stay away from heat, okay, and dust. Well, poor at diagnosis, so I'm just putting some things there just for the sake of this demonstration. Okay, so the next thing is to book the next appointment. So let's say the date here is 19th November, so it's November 28th 2020, and the doctor name will be Dr. Rahim. Okay, so now let's save that. So this will help us what do you call it, trace the records of these patients. So these are the list of diagnosed patients. So each patient has his, what do you call it again. So if you have a lot of lists here, what you do is just enter the ID and then search for this patient. So I'm just going straight to this and select this. Now I'm going to make prescriptions for this patient. Okay, so I'm going back just to show you something here. Diagnosis list. So this is where we prescribe for the patient. So we're going to select this icon here, and this will allow you to make some prescriptions for the patient. So maybe the category of medicine, maybe antibiotics. Then you now mention the medicines here, maybe I don't know, chloroquine, ibuprofen, just mention medicine. So you know, injection 506. Well, so these are, and probably prescribe the dosage, one morning, one evening. So morning, afternoon, evening. The details, duration should take this for maybe a month. The source of the medicine could be internal. The hospital has internal one. The same doctor is doing this prescription, so you save that. All right. So this is basically what we want to cover in this video, because it's a demo app. Okay, so it's not the full version. Okay, one thing that I also want to add up is, where we have, let's take this patient here, knee Nate Joyce. I'm going back to patient list. Now the list is here, knee Nate Joyce here. I want to delete this patient, so I click on this button. Okay. Now just saying, this is loading. It's asking if I want to delete. I'll say yes. So successfully deleted. So this patient is gone. I'm going back to make diagnosis. You realize 90 is gone. I didn't delete it from here, but from the patient list. Let's check the diagnosed list again. So once you delete it from any of these, it affects the rest. Again, something that I want to add up is, from the patient list, let's say we want to update this patient for the marital status. So I'm going to change it to married, and we'll see. So click on the name of the patient, and then I'll then go down to marital status and change it to this, then go down, and then click this to update it. So as you can see, it was S, now it's MD. Okay, so this is how to, you know, update the patient. And then we also have pharmacy, that's the other part of it, bills, and how to view the history of the patient. We also have the, this is in fact the, for the outpatient department, and also the other part of it is the inpatient department. But for the sake of this demo video, we will not cover that part. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button. Thank you and take care. Right, so I'm going to log out here. So as you can see, it's logged out, and here I can see the version display. So bye for now.